The Ring plugin on HOOBS 5. Begin on the Bridges page and click Add Accessory. Select Install a plugin. Search for the Ring plugin. Click on the plugin, then click Install. Select Install again. Wait for the background task circle to turn green. Then click on Done. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Enter your security code and click Link Account. A couple of key features with this plugin. Click Optional Configuration. You will want to check Unbridged Camera. You are able to hide or show additional features of the device as well as hide devices or locations. Then click Save. Once the background task circle has turned green, click on the home page. Here, you can view and control your accessories. If you need additional help, please contact us at support.hoobs.org.